Hi viewers. Welcome to our YouTube channel Everything About Accounting. If you want to learn accounting easy and simple way, you are in the right place. In this video, we will learn what are the disadvantages of recording transactions under the double entry system. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for getting regular updates. So let's get started. What are the disadvantages of recording transactions under the double entry system? Besides the advantages of the double entry system, there are some disadvantages. The nature of accounting in the current competitive world has many complex shapes, so in some cases, there are some difficulties in its implementation and circulation. The disadvantages of the double entry system are discussed below. 1. It is necessary to have experienced people to keep accounts in the double entry system because this system cannot be applied to the organization if there is no theoretical and practical knowledge of accounting, so conducting the account with inexperienced people can lead to many mistakes. 2. In the double entry system, a lot of time and many accounting books are involved, thus increasing the cost of the organization. 3. In a double entry system, every transaction has to be recorded by the accounting department, which often leads to the error's absence of skilled people. 4. In the double entry system, many accounting books have to be kept. As a result, the complete details of each accounting transaction cannot be recorded. 5. According to the double entry system, debit-credit analysis of each transaction is required to record in the accounting books, but sometimes debit-credit analysis becomes complicated, which increases the number of errors. 6. Double entry system cannot be implemented in small business. In this business, a single entry system is more popular than the double entry system to maintain accounts. I hope you have learned what are the disadvantages of recording transactions under the double entry system. If you like this video, don't forget to comment, like, and share. For more information, you can also visit our official website www.everythingaboutakcounting.info. Thanks for watching.